Another really important engineering milestone for us. Now, engineering milestone, this is a design milestone. We still haven't done the development for it yet. But you guys know the big power of our ecosystem, the big vision is to have many, many, many blockchains operating in parallel in this ecosystem, which means we need interoperability, right? So the two big things that I've been hammering at for the last couple of years, interoperability and compatibility. We're getting compatibility with our EVM chain, and now interoperability is what Zendu is all about, but we're going beyond that. It can't just be interoperability from main chain to a particular sidechain and a sidechain back to the main chain. We need, and we know we've always needed, sidechain to sidechain interoperability. We've been talking about it for a while, and we finally have a design document in draft, all right? But a draft design document that gives us the sidechain to sidechain interoperability. So what we're going to get for it, and guys, truly, I believe that this is going to be our big value proposition as an ecosystem, is we get fully provable messaging. We will get a fully provable messaging protocol between chains. Now, we're generalizing, calling this thing a messaging protocol. Specifically, what it's going to give us is digital asset transfer between chains. So this is the ability where if you mint a token on token mint, now I'm using these as two examples. Clearly, this is just in the design phase. We still need to do development and integrate the development into the existing products and chains that we're deploying. But the vision here is if you were to mint a token on token mint, you should be able to seamlessly and securely send this token to a smart contract, maybe a liquidity pool on our EVM chain, right? If you were to be, I don't know, a large enterprise company and you wanted to build your own layer one, and you chose to build your layer one with our SDK that gives you an EVM out of the box and maybe a suite of tools along with it, and you have your own token or set of tokens, maybe NFTs in this, this EVM chain that you were to deploy as a Horizen sidechain, you also will have the ability to transfer securely digital assets that you mint on your chain into, say, our community EVM. As an example, right? So the power here cannot be understated, and I truly believe that this will be our long-term value proposition as an ecosystem, because again, I mentioned these magic words, fully provable. So fully provable means we're going to have cryptographic proofs of digital asset transfers between chains. So this is a really big deal in an industry where one of the biggest vulnerabilities is on the bridging technology side. So for us to have native, provable, secure bridging capability within Horizen, really important, really big deal.